Good morning, scholars. Miss T here with lesson 22 of module 4. We're going to decompose the number 6 using 5 group drawings by breaking off or removing a part. And then we're going to record each decomposition with a drawing and a subtraction equation. All right, let's get started. So I have a 6 stick here. Let's count how many cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay? I am going to break 2 of the cubes off of our stick, and I'm going to put them to the side. Okay? I took off 1 and 2, and I'm going to put them over to the side. Tell me in a number sentence what I just did, okay? What would that look like in a number sentence? So, do you remember what my altogether number was? If you said 6, can you kiss your brain? So, 6 was my altogether number. I started off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one more equals 6. So, I started off with my 6 stick. I then took 2 away. My symbol looks like a little dash, and then the number that I write next is the number that I took away. How many cubes did Miss T take away? Absolutely correct. I took away 2. Now I'm going to write my equal sign, and that tells me that I need to know what. Absolutely correct. How many are left? So how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to finish my number sentence or my equation by writing the 4. Now, let's go ahead and read our number sentence. 6 take away 2 equals 4. Use it with our drawing. 6 take away 2 equals 4. Absolutely correct. Now, what is that going to look like, Miss T, in a number bond? I know that you thought we were all finished with number bonds, okay? So I'm going to put my cubes away, and we're going to learn how to show 6, how to take away 6 in our number bond. We learned that with our addition, and so we're going to do the same exact thing with subtraction. Now, I'm going to start with the number 6, so I'm going to make 6 math drawings. I'm going to count to make sure that I have exactly 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, I'm going to draw my number bond. Okay. I've got my hole. I've got my number path, and then I have a part, and I have another part. That's pretty much the same thing that we did before, right? Yeah, absolutely right. Okay, so I'm going to start. I have 6 dots, okay? I'm going to write 6 where? Where would I write the 6? If you said in the hole, kiss your brain, you are absolutely right, because my altogether number or my total number is 6. So I'm going to put that in the hole. Okay? Now, say that I wanted to take away 3. Where would that go? Absolutely, it would go in a part, because that is part of my number story or my number sentence or my equation. So I have my whole is 6. I have 3 that I'm going to take away. What would that look like in my number drawing? Yes, I would cross that out. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, and 3. Well, Miss T, what does that look like on the number bond if we're showing that we're going to take something away? I am so glad you asked. You scholars are so amazing. Remember, when you ask questions, that's how you learn. So if I took 3 away in my math drawing, I need to take 3 away in my number bond. And so I'm just going to make an X in my number bond to show that this is the part that I am taking away. I put an X in the part to show how many I'm taking away. So let me go back to my math drawing. Well, if I started out with 6 and I took away 3, how many do I have left? And where am I going to put it in my number bond? Well, I know that I've got my whole and I have one part that I took away. Well, what do you think goes in this part? Absolutely correct. How many are left over? How many dots did Miss T not cross out? How many dots are left? And so that would be 1, 2, 3. So I am going to write a 3 in that empty spot, in that empty part. So scholars, this is what a subtraction number bond looks like. Now I've got my math drawing, I've got my number bond. What would all of this, how can I represent my math drawing and my number bond in a math sentence, in a number sentence, in an equation, or an expression? Well, I have my whole number. I'm always going to start in subtraction with my whole number. So my whole number is 6. So 6, and what's that number that we took away? I can't really see it on my board. I'm going to look up here in my math drawing. 1, 2, 3. So 6, take away, that's our minus sign, our takeaway sign. 6 minus 3 equals, because remember, I have to show how many I have left. And if I look at my number bond, I see that I have 3 left. If I look at my number drawing, I also have, my math drawing, I also have 1, 2, and 3 left. So I'm going to put 3 to finish my expression, my equation, my number sentence. Let's read it together. Are you ready? 6 take away 3 equals 3. Amazing. Can you kiss your brain, please? I want you to go ahead and practice some of those number drawings and your number bond and your number sentence the subtraction way, the takeaway way, so that your brain can get used to doing it, and your brain will be amazing at it, and it will be very, very easy for you to do next time you see one of these number problems. Happy mathing!